I have to share with you some of the Dollar Tree finds I just found. I saw some of these online on a YouTube channel that I follow, and I had to go out and see if my Dollar Tree had them too, and they did. These are all pill and stick wallpapers or decals. These are just, I think, incredible. We got the wood planks. I love the brick look. There's more wood. There's all kinds of other prints they have too, so check out your local Dollar Tree. I'll use these on wood signs, trays, all kinds of craft ideas I can do, back of signs, whatever. So much potential there. They can cover books, lots and lots of ideas. And then they had these removable tile decals, which could be used for tables, backsplashes, wood pieces, whatever. I think they're absolutely beautiful. It's a really shiny gold one. Got the copper looking one. And this one, they're so pretty. And I thought of my daughter who just bought her first house. If you're not want to be married to a permanent idea and you want to put this somewhere for a splash of color or design, this would be perfect. And then I picked up some of these, look like hand-stitched little name tags. I love these for parties to put what the food is, and then I'll put these on gifts. So I just wanted to share some of the things I picked up today. So make sure to check out your local Dollar Tree.